So now let's try to perform maps in the Dart programming language. Okay, now first of all we'd like to say we must take that void main, and then let's take all this stuff here. So now let's take var and then yeah, var and then gifts. So yeah, see, the reason why I had taken gifts is now I'm going to mention gifts, right? For that particular purpose I had taken gifts, and then you must and should remember one thing: keys and values. See, basically here the data which we are taking here, all data comes under the categories of keys, and then the data which have been represented by the keys are only known as values. Yes, by the keys are only known as values, and then let's print even those all those things also. So basically, yeah, here I'm going to take another thing which is known as first rank. If a person who got first rank, yeah, just a second. If a person who got the first rank, he'll get the cars as gifts, and then he'll get the car as gift, whatever it may be. And the person who got a second rank, he'll get the okay. He'll get the bikes as gift. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you need to mention comma here, because we're going to another statement, right? For that particular purpose you need to mention commas. Okay, just a second. Even here also you need to mention the same thing. Again, third rank the person who got third rank, he'll get a okay, whatever it may be, iPhone as gift. So that's it. After everything is perfect, now let's try to execute. So here we need to give this, and then let's try to print. Let's print the first thing which is known as gifts, and then okay, here we need to mention so basically let's mention second rank here. Okay, and let's execute this. So well, let's execute this. So you'll get bikes as gift as an output. So here you'll get bikes as gift as an output, because here you had mentioned the second rank, right? So now let's change it, and let's mention, okay, let's simply change here first rank, and then let's run it. You'll get cars as gifts. Null. Okay, here you need to mention the okay. Now we'll get an output which is known as cars as gift. Okay, oh shit, here you need to mention T also. Okay, like just right, it's a small thing. Let's run it, and let's yeah, cars as gift. If you want get iPhones as gift, then what you need to do is you need to mention third, and then let's give space here. Let's run it. So here you'll get a iPhone as gift. So that's how it works actually. So not only in this way, but also you can mention you can also do this in another way, which is known as you can simply mention one. Okay, you can simply mention one, and then you can also mention two here. Here you can also mention three. So all these things are all these things you can also do with with the help of all these things. So let's do this one. Now let's try to run. So everything is perfect. We got an idea regarding this. So now let's do an experiment. Let's actually combine all those things, and let's know what actually happens. Let's try to run. We won't get an output because it will only take a single value. Let's try to take it, and let's give Jubal values. So it is not even taking dual values, it is only considering a single value. So now let's only take 3 and now let's run. You'll get iPhone as gift here. So here we got an iPhone as gift. So that's how. Not only this way, but also there is another way which we can perform, and that I mean that other way is actually quite easy when compared with all these sort of things. So now let's look and let's perform in that particular way. So basically, for that particular purpose, what you need to do is you must mention here itself. Um, First, okay, equals to, okay, first is equals to, okay, first dot cars or else car, and then let's use this comma, and then second dot, let's mention bike, and then let's give the comma, and then dot let's mention the thing which is known as cars, bikes, and then iPhone. Up to now everything is fine. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's take it here and let's keep it here itself. So up to now everything is super fine. Now let's try to run it and let's wait and watch whether what sort of output are we going to get. We'll get iPhone as an output. So here we got our iPhone as an output. Now let's change this value. Let's U2. We'll get bike as an output. So yeah, I'm waiting for bike, and last and finally let's do the cars. So like, run it actually. So as in this way we can able to perform maps and other sort of things here. So that's the thing here. The 1, 2, 3, all these things are keys, and then the cars, bikes, iPhones, all these gifts are actually values for which are assigned for the keys. So that's about the maps. That's it.